If you want to mute the camera sound or the shutter sound on iPhone 17, what you can do is we can go to settings. Over here in settings, we need to scroll down and choose focus. Now, over here in focus, we can press this plus button in the upper right corner in order to create a new focus mode. We're gonna choose custom. Over here, we can set up the name. So let's say we're gonna set it to camera. There we go. We can also change the icon if you want to. So let's say we're gonna choose something like this star, for example. And let's go next. After that, we can press customize focus. In here, you want to scroll down to find set a schedule section. You want to add a schedule, choose app, and then go for camera. Select camera over here. Once we have camera added, we can go to focus filters, press add filter, and then in here we need to choose silent mode. Essentially, when the silent mode is enabled, then the shutter sound is muted. So we can press add over here. Now, every time we go to the camera app, the silent mode will be enabled, and then the shutter sound will be muted. So let's open the camera, but wait for the indicator, there we go, on the dynamic island that the focus is enabled. And now if we press the shutter button, there will be no sound at all. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.